This video is about the Excel365 function. Formula bug that I found when I developed a healthcare program. Sorry for that. This is Korean language. But I don't think it disturbs you to understand what the bug is. See, there is two tables, A table and table B. They are same table, exactly same table, but sequence is a little different. Bug is in the Vlookup function. So I tried to compare these two tables by using Vlookup function. For that purpose, I need to make a new code A. Consolidated this and this and this column is consolidated in new A column. And I'll make new B column here. And this one. And this one. And double click. By using VLOOKUP, I will compare new code A and new code B in G column. See, VL. Click. And lookup value is here. The table array. Function. And column, of course, only one column, one, then exactly same one. Then double click. See? This one is found in the new B column. It seems to me very perfect. Oh, but strangely enough, I found this row, this record, missing of records here. For verification purpose of this error, no finding error, I will use delete them. Match function. Match. How about match? Match. Lookup value is here. And lookup array here. Add dollars. Match type 0. Then copy. Let's check it. Oh, still we have errors. Not finding errors. This bug seems to be caused by the wave text. Wave text here. not only VLOOKUP function, but also index match. It looks like they have a bug that cannot find data with wave text. Then I will use another way, new way. Delete them. I will try with a filter function. Filter. F-I-L-T-E-R equal F-I. Filter. Click. Fail. Here. Add dollars. Include same range. Equal. Find text. Then double click. Wow. The result is perfect. Tells us accurate comparison result. I recommend you to use filter function. Do not use VLOOKUP and index match function anymore.